Bali is known as the Island of the Gods due to its vibrant culture and numerous temples. The island is home to approximately 4.3 million people. Balinese people adhere to a unique form of Hinduism called Agama Hindu Dharma. The island is famous for its stunning beaches, with Kuta, Seminyak, and Nusa Dua being some of the most popular. Bali experiences two main seasons, the dry season and the rainy season. The traditional Balinese calendar has a unique cycle of 210 days, called the Pawukan calendar. Bali's famous rice terraces, particularly in Ubud, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The island hosts the annual Bali Arts Festival, showcasing traditional music, dance, and art. Bali's currency is the Indonesian rupiah, IDR. The island is a popular destination for surfers, with world-class waves found all along the coast. Bali boasts a variety of wildlife, including monkeys, tropical birds, and marine life. The island has its own dialect of Indonesian called Balinese. Bali is known for its vibrant and intricate traditional dance forms, such as the legong and barong. The local cuisine features spicy dishes, with rice being a staple food. Bali is a hub for yoga and wellness retreats, attracting health enthusiasts from around the world. The Tegalalang Rice Terrace is famous for its beautiful scenery and photo opportunities. Bali is home to Mount Agam, an active volcano that is the island's highest point. The Balinese people celebrate many traditional festivals throughout the year, with Nyepi, Day of Silence, being one of the most unique. Bali has a tropical climate, making it a year-round destination for travelers. The island's traditional houses are built using local materials and reflect Balinese culture and beliefs. Bali has a thriving art scene, including traditional crafts like batik, wood carving, and silver jewelry. The island is a popular destination for honeymooners, thanks to its romantic settings and luxury resorts. Bali is known for its elaborate ritual offerings, typically made from bamboo, flowers, and food. The island hosts several international music festivals, attracting renowned artists from various genres. Bali is a leader in sustainable tourism initiatives, promoting eco-friendly practices. The famous Ubud monkey forest is home to hundreds of mischievous long-tailed macaques. The Balinese culture places a strong emphasis on community and family ties. There are numerous sacred temples in Bali, including Uluwatu Temple and Besaki Temple. Bali's coastline is dotted with coral reefs, making it a prime destination for snorkeling and diving. The island hosts the annual Bali Kite Festival, celebrating creativity and tradition with giant kites. Balinese massages are renowned worldwide for their relaxation and rejuvenation benefits. The island has a rich history influenced by Indian, Chinese, and Portuguese cultures. Bali has a wide array of accommodations, from budget hostels to luxury villas. The traditional Balinese ceremony of the Malasti takes place before the Nyepi festival to purify the island. The island's vibrant nightlife in areas like Seminyak and Kuta attracts partygoers and music lovers. Bali has numerous waterfalls, with Tejenangan and Gitchit being popular tourist spots. The unique Balinese gamelan music is an essential part of ceremonial performances and rituals. Many locals practice traditional farming methods, with organic agriculture on the rise. Bali is popular among digital nomads for its co-working spaces and creative atmosphere. The island is also known for its traditional healing practices, including herbal medicine and energy healing. Balinese sculptures often depict deities, animals, and elements of nature. The Waisak festival celebrates the birth, enlightenment, and death of Buddha and is observed by some Balinese. Bali has a rich tradition of storytelling, often conveyed through dance, music, and art. The island offers activities like whitewater rafting, hiking, and ATV rides for adventure seekers. Bali is a hotspot for high-end shopping, featuring both local handicrafts and international brands. The local coffee, especially Luwak coffee, is considered one of the most expensive in the world. Bali attracts numerous international film productions and has been featured in many movies. The island has made a name for itself in the fashion industry, with many boutiques and designers showcasing their work. The famous sunset views at Tanah Lot Temple are a major tourist attraction.